Hello everyone. Today we are going to have demonstration on our first experiment in the diploma course in pharmacy for the subject pharmacognosy. So in the subject pharmacognosy, the first experiment is to study the microscope, its component parts, and making it ready for the for working. Okay, so prior concept for this practical is to know about microscope, or what do you know about microscope? All you know about microscope is that it is an optical instrument. Optical instrument means what? The instrument which is used with the aid of our eyes. Okay, that instrument is called as an optical instrument. Okay, so microscope is an optical instrument. It generally comprises of lens. If it is using single lens, then it is called as simple microscope, or combination of lenses are utilized in compound microscope. So today we are going to study two types of microscope: simple microscope and compound microscope. The definition of microscope states that it is an optical instrument. Microscope is an optical instrument. It comprises of lens or combination of lenses which enables to view magnified image of a minute object. Okay, minute object, small object. Okay, so microscope, any type of microscope, optical microscope, it comprises of three systems mainly. First one is illumination system, second one is magnification system, and third one is support system. Okay, uh, magnification system consists of lens or combination of lenses, and it generally consists of eyepiece and objectives. Two words are here: eyepiece and objectives. Okay, illumination system consists of mirror, iris, diaphragm, and condenser. Okay, four words are there: mirror, iris, diaphragm, and condenser. Instead of mirror, electrical lights can be used to illuminate the object, or to illumination, ना, प्रकाश टाकण्यासाठी. त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट वन इज सपोर्ट सिस्टम. जनरली सपोर्ट सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ बेस, then body framework, adjustment knobs, that is spine adjustment knob, chorus adjustment knob, such type of knobs are there, and then working hand, working screw, eyepiece holder, mirror holder, etc. These stage mainly, these are the parts of support system. So these three systems: illumination system, magnification system, and support system, this is three system makes together make a microscope. So in case of simple microscope, the structure is very simple. I can show you the simple microscope. This is a simple microscope that we have with us. This simple microscope consists of support system parts such as base, body framework, adjustment knob, this is chorus adjustment knob, then tube, folder arm, and lens holder. Stage consists of these two slide holding arms. Then it consists of this plate which has white as well as black backgrounds, which enables or helps you to observe the object over here with a white background, or you can use it as with a black background. So these are the parts of support system. Then magnification system, in simple microscope, it consists of generally one lens only. That's why it is called as a simple microscope. Lens can be hold in eyepiece holder. This folder arm, it helps to cover the all area present over this stage. So field of view can be changed each time, okay, with the help of this folder arm. This is supporting tube. Illumination system consists of this mirror. You can see this mirror. This mirror has two type of surfaces. One is plane surface and other is concave surface. So collection of light through this source becomes easy. So this is the structure of simple microscope. Then you can this is compound microscope that we have with us. Compound microscope, as I told you earlier, it uses combination of lenses and magnification system. Okay, combination of lenses, uh, they are this eyepiece and these objectives. Okay, these are the type of lenses used in compound microscope, eyepiece and objectives. Okay, remember this name, eyepiece and objectives. Then this is body or head of a microscope. This is eyepiece holder tube. Okay, then in illumination system, mirror is there. This mirror can rotate in the angle of 360, likewise too. Okay, this can be moved likewise and likewise. Then you can see below the stage this system is there. There are three units of illumination system: iris, diaphragm and condenser. Iris, diaphragm and condenser, these are used to adjust the strength of light that is passing towards stage with the help of this mirror. Okay, so iris, diaphragm and condenser and mirror, these are the parts of illumination system in compound microscope. Then in support system, microscope comprises of base, then this knob which helps to locate this iris, diaphragm and condenser near stage. You can observe near stage or farther to the stage. Okay, this knob is there. Then this folding screw is there, which enables an observer to change the position of microscope, like tilted one or the straight one, according to his or her body position. Then support system also consists of this C arm, what I told, nose, head, C arm, folding screw and base. These are the parts of support system. Nose has provision to place three objectives. These objectives are can be moved along nose like this, and they objectives are aligned with this eyepiece. Okay, this can be moved easily, and you can magnify the image according to your wish. That means magnification according to magnification power 10x. This objective is of 100x. You can see this objective is of 10x. If you can see 10x it is, and it is a 45x objective. So 10 multiply the capacity of eyepiece multiplied by capacity of objective is the magnification power. So then the working distance is this concept is there. Working distance means the distance between this eyepiece and actual image. It is called as working distance. Working distance can be adjusted with the help of these knobs, chorus adjustment knob and fine adjustment knob. Then focus means viewing through the eyepiece is known as focusing, and field of view is the area on slide which you can observe through eyepiece is known as field of view. These are some concepts of your compound microscope. So happy learning.
Thank you.